Want to design your next website or app layout without getting completely bogged down in colors, fonts, and complex design tools? In 2026, the fastest way to turn your messy ideas into a clear layout is Balsamiq. In this quick tutorial, we're looking at how you can use Balsamiq to build website wireframes in minutes. Balsamiq's core philosophy is simple: structure first, everything else second. Instead of spending hours debating color palettes, Balsamiq uses a clean, hand-drawn sketch style. This keeps your team focused on solving the actual usability problems. The coolest update for 2026 is Balsamiq AI. Instead of starting with a blank canvas, you can literally prompt the AI with your rough ideas or drop in a screenshot. It instantly generates a wireframe you can play with and make interactive. Plus, it's highly developer-friendly. It supports MCP, meaning you can easily plug your boards into AI tools like Claude and Cursor to start building your actual code right after you finish your layout. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Based on user testimonials, the biggest pros are its incredible speed, the intuitive hand-drawn style that clients love, and how easy it makes collaboration. On the downside, and we want to be fully transparent here as our external review data is limited to a few highly positive user testimonials, this is strictly a low-fidelity tool. If you are looking to create highly polished, pixel-perfect final visual designs, you will eventually need to transition to another tool. But for figuring out what to build before you write a single line of code, it's incredibly hard to beat. If you want to try it out for yourself, they offer a 14-day free trial. Head over to their website, start prompting the AI, and see how fast you can bring your website ideas to life. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you're planning to build.